All right, number 2 in Africa, here we go.
Checking 1 and 2.
Here we go.
3 and 4.
Down the court we go.
Shaking 5.
That's a check.
Right, let's go to this, man.
Okay.
Goes over the edge.
Yeah. Hang your toes over the edge. Nice.
Wait there.
Okay, strong arms. You ready?
5,
4, 3, 2, 1, bungee.
Oh my God, that's so good. Look at that shit. Oh. Ah. Oh yeah. Woo. Oh yeah, that's so good. Wow, what a rush. Oh. Woo. Woo. Oh. Woo! Okay. Oh yeah. Wow. Okay. Almost there. Oh yeah. Woo! How you doing, brother?
I'm good.
I'm good. Oh my God. Hanging upside down over the water. Incredible.
What's the idea like this?
Okay.
Enjoy it?
Yeah.
Yeah, one day.
Yeah, good. Oh, that's better.
Yes.
Wow. Getting a little dizzy there.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, wow. That view.
What's the idea like this? Hey, that was that.
That was wicked.
Stand on your feet, okay?
Yep. Okay.
What's the idea like this?
That's good.
So goodbye.
Bye-bye.